Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif today welcoming you to my new tutorial. Today I'll give you another preset of outdoor portrait. So hope that you'll get a great preset. Okay, let's see. This one is before and after, and you'll get a Lightroom preset today. So you should be excited. Okay, in a Lightroom I just imported two photos and I'll show you how to apply this one in that preset, and I'll give that preset download link in my video description, so don't forget to check out my video description. And those who are new in this channel, so subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's start. Today ASM Arif portrait, this one is my preset and this one is the non-edited photo, and I downloaded this photo from the deviantart.com. okay, I'll give that download link in my video description, and you'll practice at home and you can apply this one at your own photographies. So for those who are photographer, this one will be great for them. Okay, I will apply this one. You'll get a nice effect over there. You can edit all the things. If you need, you can just de-highlight it, or exposure you can little bit down, and here is the HSL options. You can increase or decrease this one a little bit, and you can keep this one as it is. Okay, let's apply this preset another in another photos. This one, okay. For this photo, this one is overexposed, just that's why I'm just adjusting the light like that. Okay, let's see the before and after. This one is the before and after. You are getting a new cool effects for the outdoor portrait. You can apply all those image and you can get this, or you can apply this preset to your photo, and you'll get nice effect for that. Okay, and another thing is that I'll show you how to remove the dots or the just scare over there. Okay, here is the tool which is the spot removal tool, and you can make it smaller by scrolling your mouse the size and feather. You should keep the feather like 1 or 2, the brush size 0, and opacity 100%. okay, just press once here and you can choose any color from there, and you can move this one, yes, this color, and press here. Automatically it will get a place which is from clone from there, but you can rotate this one like that. You can just keep like that. Okay, that's good, and just select here and you can just move like that. Okay, that's good. And this one is also, and you can move this one like that. Okay, here also. It's too much easy to clone and reduce the spot from the face. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. And here is a red skirt. You can adjust this one like that. Okay, all the spot removed. You can remove or you can make it smooth more. Okay, press the down option. You'll get nice effect. That was the previous one, and the after one you are getting nice effect. If you want to increase the eye color or the eye brightness, then you have to go just in a brush tool, and you can increase the brush size like that. Just select once here, you'll get this one like that. Okay, you can increase the exposure, contrast, and the whites like that. You can give another color from here like this. You can like that. Okay, and press again, you'll get same effect over there, exposure. Okay, and hit the OK button. You're getting nice the color. Okay, let's see the previous one and after one. Okay, that's good. And you are getting this tutorial free of cost, so inspire me to do subscribe and share with your friends. If you subscribe my channel, it will grow and I'll be inspired for that. and I'll make more amazing tutorial for you, and I'll give you more free resources for you. So till the next video, I am ASM Arif signing out, and bye bye.